Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, let's dive into exploring CapCut's tracking feature on mobile phone together. I'll guide you through each step, making sure you become an expert at using it by the end. So let's get started. First of all, open CapCut application. Here tap on New Project option. Now you'll have to select a video in which something should be moving. So the things that you can track are text and stickers and actually have them follow a certain object. Now in order to use the tracking feature on this video, I'm going to click on the stickers option. Here I'll select an emoji. Now you can extend the emoji for the full length of this video. Also, you can resize the emoji according to your preference. In this video, I'm gonna have the emoji track the head of the woman. Now select the emoji and click on the tracking option. Since I'm going to track the head of this person, I'll readjust the circle and place it in the head. Now move the sticker and place it in the tracking area. Then tap on the Start Tracking option. So now when I tap on the play button, it actually blocks the head of this person. This effect is not only fun but also useful. If you need to hide someone's face and you don't have permission to remove it on camera, this is a great way to block it out. The tracking feature has many uses, whether it's to follow a text or emoji to cover someone's face. There are tons of ways to make the most of it. So that is how you can use the tracking feature on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.